Best credit repair services. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Lexington Law. It is the #1 credit repair law firm available on the internet. People use it to get their credit repair services from the most legitimate and professional persons to protect them in the future from any kind of challenge and identity protection. Credit Saint. It is a thorough and expert credit repair service that offers you with the top quality services available on the internet. People use this service provider to get free from challenges by working with collections agencies. The Credit People. When you want to boost your credit score and are worried about any approval rating, the fast and comprehensive credit repair service that offers you more than you can imagine. Pyramid Credit Repair. When you go to this platform, you get hassle-free credit repair services at affordable pricing without any worry of getting your identity and confidential information leaked to some obnoxious people or organization. The Credit Pros. If you're having bad credit reports, this is the indication that you might not be able to cope with life. The Credit Pros is a flexible credit repair service for everyone to make them feel important and worthy once again by improving the ratings and approval opportunities. Click the link in the description to get more information. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to us and turn the notifications on.